Hello everyone, welcome back to sixth part of this video. This part is image based question mainly, which appears in NEET for sure. So your first question is identify the mouth mirror. You can see this picture and mouth mirror in lingual surface of anterior tooth. Okay, and your option is option A rear surface, option B front surface, option C concave mirror, and D is double sided. So obviously if you use PMT set in which we use diagnostic mirror, so basically you know the answer very well. The option C is the right answer. This is nothing but concave mirror. Okay, now come to the next question. This questions is little bit tricky because it is very basic, but because of our negligence in on daily basis, this can be tough sometimes. Okay, so what is expected with the position of sprue in this image? If you remember prostho, casting and all procedure, so you can solve this question very easily. Your option is hot spot, option B is nodules, option C is turbulence, and option D is fins. So here the right answer is option C, turbulence. Okay, because sprue attach at 90 degree causes turbulence of the metal flow. So turbulence is the right answer. Now come to the next question. Which of this inlay taper is not acceptable? So inlay taper, you have to go deep in theory, then you can only understand this diagrams very well. So here the figure A, figure B, figure C and figure D are the options. So figure C is the right answer, means C, the option is correct here. Why? Because taper should never be made with one side having more taper than the other. Okay, that's why option C is the right answer here. Now come to the next question. You can see this diagram. Identify the bevel. This is basically a bevel. Okay, and you have many options there. So your options is counter bevel, long bevel, partial bevel and hollow ground. What do you think? What do you think the right answer? The right answer is option A. It's a counter bevel. Okay, now again you can read very deeply bevel, because bevel is asked many times in exam, and remember this image also, because this image comes many times, repeated mode. Okay, now next question is, this image is related to which dental material? And your option is direct filling gold compaction, direct filling gold selection of gold pellet, incremental mixing of zinc phosphate, and none. So the right answer is option C. It is nothing but incremental mixing of zinc phosphate. Why? Because because firstly, if you see small amount of powder 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 powder is added into the liquid to achieve the slow neutralization of the liquid and to control the reaction, first of all. Okay, then second, larger amount of powder 4 and 5 is added to liquid for further saturation of liquid to newly formed zinc phosphate. Okay, and the lastly 7, 8, 9. Okay, here is a 9 is mistaken by 6. So 7, 8, 9 basically added again to control the optimum consistency. So it is nothing, basically option C. This is an incremental mixing of zinc phosphate. Okay, I explained to you. Next question, identify the rake angle. So here the rake angle options are positive, radial, negative and neutral. Your right answer is option C is the right answer. Here the rake angle is negative when the blade is ahead of the radial line. Okay, now come to the next question. Your next question is identify the type of dentine depicted with arrow. Okay, so here is the arrow, and this is a histopathology, you can say, of dentine. So identify the type of dentine, and your options are peritubular, intertubular, globular and sclerotic. Okay, the right answer is peritubular. Option A is the right answer. Why? Because peritubular dentine is the dentine surrounding the dentinal tubules and is highly mineralized than intertubular dentine. So option A is the right answer. Now come to the next question. Identify this forceps. Again I told you that these are the very basic question, but because of our negligence we couldn't remember in exam. Okay, so identify this forceps. Your option is articulating paper forceps, paper point forceps, cotton holding forceps and hemostat. The right answer is option A. It is nothing but articulating paper forceps. Actually the entire length of articulating paper or tape is supported by the jaws of the forceps. Okay, so basically it is nothing but articulating paper, means forceps. Option A is the right answer. Now come to the next question. You know, it is a very basic, okay? I don't think so. For example, identify the instrument, okay? I'm sure that you already know this. What is this? Your option is option A, GP cutter, B, endo block, option C is file holder, and D is none. The right answer is, obviously the right answer is, you know already, option B is the right answer, endo block, okay? It's used for measuring and setting the length of the files very easily, as there are pre-measured slots already in the block. There is a number marking in blocks, okay? So this is nothing but endo block. Option B is the right answer, okay? Now come to the next question. The main use of this material is, okay? Your option is to obtain retention, option B is to obtain resistance, option C is as an implant, and option D is all of the above. What do you think the right answer? Okay, the right answer is to obtain retention. Okay, option A is the right answer. Now come to the next question. Identify the instrument. Here options are clamps, color diamond disc, fishing disc, and separators. Okay. The right answer is, what do you think it is the right answer? The right answer is separators used in orthodontics. Okay. What is this? Separator. Nothing but these are the separators which we use in ortho treatment. Okay. Now come to the next question. Identify the type of disc. Okay. So diamond, Kielsler, silicon carbide, and garnet. The right answer is option C is the right answer, silicon carbide. Okay, so it says silicon carbide disc. Now come to the next question. It is of course related to endodontist. How many line angles and point angles are there in the conservative class 2 preparation? Very basic question. Your option is option A, 12 line angle and 6 point angle, 11L and 6P, 12N and 5P, and 11L and 5P. You already know that answer, okay? The right answer is option B. There is 11 line angle and 6 point angle in class 2 conservative preparation, okay? So option B is the right answer. Now come to the next question. The most appropriate treatment for this case is, okay? So this is a case. You can see there is a deep cavity which is prepared by burr, okay? Okay, the option is, this is infected dentine and should be removed. This is affected dentine and should not be removed. This is affected dentine and is remineralizable, and both B and C. What do you think the right answer? The right answer is option D. Both B and C as the right answer, because this is affected dentine and should not be removed. Okay. Always remember a little bit of dentine when we prepare cavity. We